Hi, this is Nidal Kardia with eDoc Publish. Today we will talk about the program Burn Image. Let's get started and go to our website, edocpublish.com. And we have the software already on our website, and the software is at the top of the screen under a link called Downloads. If you scroll down, you will see that we already have the software Burn Image, and let's go ahead and click on the software to download it and save it. And as you can see that the software already been downloaded. It's a very small file, 2 megabytes. So let's click on it, okay. And install it. The installation procedure is pretty straightforward. And if you get this message, it only means that you've installed it more than once. I'm still gonna hit OK, and we're running the software. So the software is already installed, ready to go, and you get a dialog box which is the log. Just file the log. It tells you what's going on. It's just an information panel. This is the main software. You get 6 options. Option number 1, you can write an image file that you've already stored on your hard disk or on an external drive or on a USB drive, whatever drive you have, and you can go back and reburn it into a CD. Next one is create an image from a disk. So you already have a CD and you want to preserve it because you might need it or you might use it as a virtual drive. So you put the disk into the machine, you point the software to it, and it will grab that disk, make one file from it, complete file structure, save it into your hard disk, and you can go back and make copies of that CD from your hard disk. It's a great utility and great software if you would like to install multiple virtual drives, and we will have another video that shows you how you can install multiple virtual drives as if you have a physical drive. So instead of having one CD-ROM player in your computer, you can actually have I think up to 4 additional virtual drives. Or you can take this file and you can send it to somebody, you can FTP it, you can email it if it's small enough to be emailed. Next one is verify a disk, is just to verify it. And next one is on the right hand side, top right corner, is write the files to a folder, write folders and files to a disk. This is just a simple software burning, just like Roxio and everything else, except this is a much simpler and easier to use. Next one, create image file from files and folders. So if you have some files on your disk and you want to emulate it as if you're burning it to a CD and you want to save it to a file, this is the way to do it. And next one is discovery. It just reads the disk and tells you the information about the disk. So let's do a simple file to an ISO file. So I'm going to click on this one here, open the folder, which is this icon here, and just gives you a little browser. And then from this browser, I'm going to go to my download, and I'm going to take this download, whatever I have in it, or I can take an entire website as we have here, dvd17.com. This is one of our websites for DVD replication. And it shows you that it's a full DVD. And then where am I going to store it? I'm just going to tell it I want it to be in the, in this case, I can tell it I want it to be in my document. And this one I'm going to call it dvd17.iso. It's that simple. And you hit start it and you say yes to whatever it asks you. This one here, it's asking you for the name. Like when you put the CD in your computer, it asks you what's the name, and this is the name, and it's done. Okay.